Hello. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. We are in the Philippines today, and I just went to the market, and I love to show you what I bought and the dishes that I've been cooking here in this channel. First, cameraman, come closer. Look at this. Look at this. Calabaza flowers or pumpkin or squash blossoms, string beans or spaghetti beans, and saluyot or Egyptian spinach or shoot. This go together perfectly. These three go perfectly together for my inabrao. And the dish, the video is in the description box. What else do I have here? These two are what we call the bamboo cakes, binungay, specialty of my town. These bamboos contain sticky rice or sweet rice and coconut milk, flavored with a bit of salt and cooked in open fire. What else? Abundance from the sea. This is not lato, as the Bisaya call it, but this is balbalulan. It is a form of seaweed, and this goes with tomato and what else? Some spices, just not a spice, but onion for salad. Do we have this in our playlist or in the description? We also have the dish in the description box. And galore. It's my dark anchovy sauce, pride of my province. I don't cook vegetables without this. I even cook pasta with this. The dishes in the description box and also in the about. Puto. This is my traditional puto from my province. How to make this from scratch, also in the description box. This is our traditional suman, budbud among the Visayas. We also have almost a master class on how to make this here and in the description box. I almost forgot, but I had this. It is well wrapped because I had to travel from the market. This doesn't look good. This doesn't look good. This is rice wine. Rice wine dessert. It's just fermented rice. Look, I'll show you. This is white, what did I say? Rice wine dessert. This is not unique to the Philippines, but also in Vietnam and in China. But in China, they use this for dishes. Here, we use it we eat it as dessert. Binubulan. I have the recipe here and the tutorial. Thank you. We'll be cooking more when we get back to our small kitchen in Holland and at the garden in my shed. See you soon. See you on my other videos. Thank you.